The National Weather Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Washington County in north central Maryland, Carroll County, north central Maryland, northwestern Howard County in central Maryland, Montgomery County in central Maryland, Frederick County in north central Maryland, northwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, Loudoun County in northern Virginia, northeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, east central Clark County in northwestern Virginia, southeastern Jefferson County in the Panhandle of West Virginia until 5:15 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Thurman to 7 miles north of Linden, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, Emergency Management reports widespread wind damage with this line of storms across Maryland and northern Virginia. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become trees. Local power outages are possible. Unsecure projects may become project fast. Impacted include Germantown, Frederick, Rockville, Bethesda, Gaithersburg, Reston, Leesburg, Olney, Herndon, Westminster, Damascus, Broadlands, Lansdowne, Lowe's Island, Thurmont, Poolsville, Emmitsburg, McLean, American Legion Bridge, and Harry Grove Stadium. Fort Frick can move to an interior room on the building. Large hail and winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northern.
These 5 secret